Wow, what's that? Ooh, what happened? Hmm?
What are you doing? Selfie. Selfie. Balaga.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Today is September 1. Mommy and Daddy has no work today. Ami is so happy because 17 days to go before her birthday. Ami is turning 1 year old. Yay! Yay!
Clap. Clap, clap,
Yay!
clap.
Ay, very good. Hold it.
Hold your
Blood take over. Hi, guys! Hi, guys!
Hello, how are you guys?
Why? Bakit pinadilim mo, anak?
What happened?
What
What
happened?
happened?